Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing apple cinnamon oats recipe for weight loss. This apple cinnamon oats does not contain any added oil. It's tasty, healthy and easy to make on those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. To make apple cinnamon oats, into a bowl I'm adding in half cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing the oats to soak for about 15 minutes. Soaking or roasting the oats helps to release the phytic acid content, which is a nutrient inhibitor. It's always ideal to soak grains like oats. Oats may cause digestive issues to some people, and that is because of the phytic acid content in oats. In this recipe, I'm using one medium-sized apple. I'm going to peel, core and chop the apple. I've chopped the apples and I'm going to keep it aside. It's about 15 minutes and the oats has soaked well. I'm going to strain the water and rinse the oats a couple of times. Into a saucepan, I'm adding in the soaked oats. Into this, add in 1 3/4 cups of water. Instead of plain water, you can use almond milk or coconut milk. So that is 1 3/4 cups of water. Add in a fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Give it a stir and turn on the flame. Cover and allow the oats to get cooked. And once it starts to boil, reduce the flame to the lowest and allow the oats to get cooked. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes. So when you're cooking oats, once it starts to boil, it may spill over. So you can just leave a little space like this when you're cooking oats. Make sure that you don't use a tight lid to cover the oats when it is getting cooked. It may spill over. While the oats is getting cooked, I'm grinding 1/4 of a nutmeg. I'm crushing the nutmeg and I'm grinding 1/4 of the nutmeg to a fine powder. Once ground, you will get about 1/3 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. After about 5 minutes, let's check on the oats. The oats are nicely cooked. So at this stage, I'm adding in the chopped apples. Give it a stir. Add in half teaspoon cinnamon powder, freshly ground nutmeg powder. Cinnamon and nutmeg will give an amazing flavor to this recipe, so try not to skip it and lightly stir it. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon crushed jaggery. You can use jaggery powder, palm sugar, coconut sugar, dates or even date syrup in this recipe. Stir it well and allow the jaggery to melt and incorporate into the oats porridge. Cover for about a minute so that the apples get cooked. After about a minute, open the lid. For some natural healthy fats, I'm adding in 2 small handfuls of grated coconut. This is freshly grated coconut. Give it a stir. Instead of water, you can also use coconut milk and omit the grated coconut. Give it a stir. And you can see that the oats is nicely done and has a perfect porridge consistency. So I'm going to serve it to a bowl. Sprinkle cinnamon powder on top. For some extra healthy fats, I'm topping it with 8 overnight soaked almonds. Like I mentioned before, instead of water which I use to cook the oats, you can use coconut milk or almond milk. I'm slicing the overnight soaked almonds over the porridge. This will also give a subtle crunch to the porridge. You can also top it with seeds and nuts of your choice. And my healthy, oil-free oats porridge is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy apple cinnamon oats and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.